Tutorial for the New Mexico Center for School Leadership. We'll be showing you how to manage the control panel and the contacts and etc. within the panel. So let's just go ahead and log in. So that's going to be, the test site is going to be NMCFSL.Noventum.us, and it'll take you to the login page automatically once you've passed the HT access password, which should have a username, Noventum, and then password. I will not say out loud because it's too long. But I'm going to go ahead and log into this system because I've already bypassed the other one. Okay, and so we have all of our accounts, schools, organizations, contacts, and then you can log out once you're finished. So it organizes these by alphabetical order here, but we can always change this down the road if that's needed. And then also, you can edit these accounts similar to all the other functions by using the little pencil, which is the generic sign for edit. And in here you can change the password, which I know is one of those elements that's very useful when people forget their password. You can change in their username, you can set them to a different school, you can do all sorts of things like that. Okay, so and then just to go back, you just click on accounts again. And then say you want to import or export a bunch of contacts all in time, so you can contact them in one group, or just get a big list of people that are affiliated with the company already. So you can just go ahead and click export first, and then it'll come out into a CSV file, which is comma separated value, which it means that you can edit these files to however which way. So say I wanted to get rid of 5 of these people and then re-import, I can. I will not do that because then I don't want to erase all these people, but you can go ahead and save this file into whatever name you like, and then I'm just going to go and close out of these, and then we can go back in here, and we can say import. When importing, you choose whichever CSV file, maybe the one that you saved, maybe it's one that looked very similar, but try to make sure that the columns that are listed in these CSV file are very similar, if not exactly the same, so they match up with what the accounts are saying. So once you choose the file, you can either choose it from here or you can drag and drop, just like so. Make sure it highlights there or else you'll try to open it. Okay, I'm not going to try to do that right now, but make sure it's a CSV file. And once importing, these should change. And then you can go to next pages and stuff just in case to verify that. You can also search in here for certain items that you like. So if once this list gets longer, it might be easier just to go ahead and search for the name that you want. Let's go to schools, very similar system. Just go into edit, and then this one you don't have to actually reset a password. This one's just going to be the school, so you just want to make sure that you can put the notes in there of what the school does or something like that, and then also put the name. The organization's very similar, but this one's going to ask for more details. We can always add columns into this or fields into this down the road. These are all testers, as I said, so don't pay attention to the information in these. We will probably actually remove these whenever everything is verified. So there we go. We can change their phone number, so they update their address, they update that you have a note about them, like say they are about to close down or they're about to get bigger or something like that. You can always add extra notes. It's a good idea so everyone can see these whenever they log in, even on the front page. And then as for contacts, this is going to be kind of a list where you probably will want to search because there are going to be a ton of contacts, hopefully. So you can always search in the emails, you can always search in this, again, just edit, and we'll be able to add their email, their webpage that they're associated with them, and then the account that's associated with this school that can manage it. And then you just click submit whenever you're finished. And this is the first tutorial for the New Mexico Center for School Leadership. Thank you.